Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Nissan Murano and I will show you which fuse and which relay to check in case horn is not working. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Both the fuse and the relay will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, under this cover. Now to remove the cover you will have two black tabs, one on this side, so you want to press this tab and lift up. And you will have one on the other side as well, so just press it and lift up and remove the cover. Now on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and here you have all of the fuses. Horn fuse, it's a 15 amp fuse located right here, and just above it this is the horn relay. Now the best way to test the relay is using the multimeter. In case both of the fuse and relay are good, then you will have to dig a bit deeper. You want to check the wiring, you want to check, make sure that the horn is actually working. And I will also add one quite common thing why the horn is not working is failed airbag clock spring. So in case you have some other issues like traction control or ABS light on the instrument cluster, that could point to a faulty airbag clock spring. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.